Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hoop a kid's t-shirt by just using a mighty hoop. So I do have a video on my channel about hooping the more traditional way where you're not using magnetic hoops. If you need that video, I'll link that down in the description and you can watch that right after this. So guys, these are the things that you're going to need in this video. You're going to need a t-shirt. I'll be using a 3T rabbit skin shirt. Of course, you're going to need your mighty hoops. I'm using the 8x9 mighty hoop to hoop this shirt. You're going to need stabilizer. I'm using cutaway stabilizer because this is a t-shirt that is going on. And then our secret weapon is this backing holder. So I purchased this backing holder from Mighty Hoop, and basically it's the same size of the hoop, and its function is just to help us hold the stabilizer on while we hoop our shirt. This is really the secret weapon to making sure that your stabilizer stays on the shirt. So without further ado, let's get started and let me show you guys how I do this. Okay, so I hope you guys can see me pretty well. So the first step in all this is figuring out where the middle of your shirt is and where would you like for your embroidery design to start. So typically I'll just use this. This is a shirt alignment ruler, and I'll just place this on the middle of the shirt, and this will help me find my center. And then I'll take one of these that I purchased from Amazon, and it's just like a sticker that helps me figure out well, it doesn't help me figure out, but it just helped me marks the spot on where I would like to start my embroidery. Where's the middle point of my embroidery? So this is the top middle piece basically of my embroidery. So this helps me find my center. It's just like how somebody would use chalk. It's just a sticker. I started to use the stickers because the chalk will leave behind residue on the shirts and customers will complain about it. So it's just easier to use the sticker. So the next step would be to get your hoop, your stabilizer, and then your backing holder, and then you'll just put your stabilizer right on top of your hoop. Super simple. And then you'll take your backing holder and you'll just clip that right onto there. And then so you'll push it until you feel it. Until you feel it holding. After a while, they tend to do loosen up, but this is what it'll look like. You see how it's holding the stabilizer? And then I'll just slide that right underneath my shirt. And then I'll just fix it and straighten it out. Now, something that's really important to remember, you cannot embroider with the backing holder, this little piece, on the machine. So you have to make sure that you do take that off before you do actually start to embroider. So once the sides of my shirt is like lined up pretty well, I then take my top hoop and then I just put it on there. Make sure that the warning sign is facing up so that you know that it's correct. And then I'll just push it in. So super simple. Sometimes I will pull down on the shirt just to make sure that it's tight on there and it's not going away. And of course, remember to take off the backing holder. And sometimes it does give me a little bit of a tassel, but as you can see, guys, this is it on the machine. It's tight and it's definitely ready to embroider. We have no issues, and this is how it's supposed to be. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. See you guys on the next one.